everybody, this is Priyanka and you're watching me on none other than Celeb Looks 101, and today I'm going to create a look for you which is one of the most amazing looks that you would have seen Priyanka Chopra Jonas wear for the Met Gala. I specially created one of the most famous looks for Priyanka Chopra Jonas that she wore at the Met Gala. So this is what I did for you today. Hey everybody, this is Chirag and you all are watching me on Celeb Looks 101, and I am today going to recreate a look from Cannes Film Festival of Priyanka Chopra. Hey everybody, so the look I created for you today was one of the well-known looks that Priyanka Chopra wore for the Cannes Film Festival.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers. Celeb Looks Originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.